Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today I have before you with two different openings in two different companies. So in this we'll be discussing the eligibility criteria, how to apply for that job and what is the package available, every details. So watch this video full to know about it and make your registrations at the earliest before the links get expired. Okay, so at any time the link may get expired. There is no last date for this, because if they'll be posting one link today, if it is saturated they'll be closing it by today itself or tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It depends. So soon after you watch this video, just try, and if it's expired, just wait for the other chance from same companies. We'll be informing you at the earliest. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest. Okay, so I'm starting to the video that the first opening is IBM. It's an intern position. So coming to the eligibility criteria, bachelor's degree in computer science from a reputed university or college. MS is preferable. Can consider non-CS degree if there is a strong relevant experience. Okay, so it is basically for degree, bachelor's degree in computer science field. And if you're not from a computer science field too, relevant experience is mentioned. This relevant experience includes if you have 1 years of experience in IT sector, or you have gone an internship in an IT sector, or do you have any programming certification courses or some programming competitions for, or you are well good at programming, then that is included here. Okay, if there's no problem, they are not specific about the criteria like the qualification, but they're very specific about the knowledge that you have. Okay, it's very clearly available here. So if you're from a non-CS department or CS department, there are so much platforms like GitHub, GUI, where you have your own platform, where you have your own profile to post your programs which you have compiled or which you have solved by yourself. Anything simple or greater, whatever it is, you can post it there. So providing that link while application of job will definitely add up the high chance to get selected. Okay, so this is how you can show them we are good at programming content. Okay, so there are so much ways out for non-CS and CS department to show your excellence in programming. So you make use of all that and get started with your career. Now, experience in multiple of the following area is desirable. Proficiency in at least one of the following programming languages like Java, JavaScript, or Golang. Strong understanding of object-oriented design principles and pattern, understanding and experience with RESTful APIs, Kubernetes database systems, excellent verbal and written communication skills, strong analytical and problem-solving skill, positive attitude, and eager to learn. Okay, so this is the required technical and professional expertise. So there is another set of requirements provided. It is for the another category of internship, that is master's or equivalent degree is preferred. Experience in multiple of the following areas is desirable. Passion for software testing and interest in learning emerging technologies. Understanding and experience with cloud technologies, microservices in architecture. Experience or knowledgeable in continuous integration, deployment, Docker, Kubernetes, container services, etc. Bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or IT. Okay, so this is for IT only field, and this category is for non-CS department too. So any graduates can apply here. They're not very specific about the graduating here. So it means that if you are good and if you have relevant, then you can apply for this. So to apply for this, you have to go to this apply now link. Okay, this is the first step of application, as you can see. So you will be getting such a page where you have to give your first name, experience, every details. Experience in the sense you can give you're a fresher or you're entry level early profession, whatever it is. Okay, so this is about it, and this is not the application page. This is not the registration page. This is just to get connected with the IBM carriers. So yeah, according to the customization, you will be getting the informations from IBM. So this is for that. So you can give your resume, everything. So what is the job related to that and details regarding that will be coming. So after giving all that, you can click the join if you want to join the career section. Else you can like, no thanks, continue to apply for the job. Okay, so when you go for that, you have to log in to the IBM careers. So you have to log in with your email ID or passport or the LinkedIn profile, Twitter, whatever it is. And you have to start with that, filling the form. So this was I was mentioning about. So you can get into this where you'll be having a form to fill your personal details, to upload your resume, everything, and you can start with that. Okay. So this is how you have to register for IBM. And coming to the package details of IBM used to provide a great package because it's one among the top 3 companies in India, which is very good for the employment. It's a very good employment friendly company. So you will be approximately getting 3.68 LPA plus. Okay, this is for the starters, for the freshers, for the interns, and after that there will be a difference in your CTC. And it, of course, in an internship position, and if you're good at your performance in internship, then definitely soon after which opening is appearing after your internship, you'll be getting placed itself there. So this is actually a great opportunity. Don't miss it. Grab it if you're wishing for the software or IT sector. So now I'm moving on to the other job, which is an opening in Explio. So here there's an opening for the technical and development skills category. So here you can see the qualification is BE or BTech with good academic records. Passing year is 2019, 2020 and 2021. Okay. Now next is the CDA or equivalent certification is a must. Now coming to the skills, knowledge is software development, QA automation, etc. No specific tool or technology stack requirements as such. Excellent communication skills. So what they're requiring is about the knowledge of QA automation and knowledge in software development. So it's the fundamentals of the software development field. Now the experience is freshers like 0 to 1 years of experience. So this is about the details or the eligibility criteria details for the Explore careers. So I think it's very clear. Now coming to the like package details, they are also a company which the highest package is provided. So it is approximately the same like that of the previous one, which is greater than 5 LPA. So here this is a great package. You can definitely apply for this. They're not very specific about the required skills or something. It's just the fundamentals of computers development, software development. So you can definitely give it a try. So to apply for this, you can go to this link, apply for this online. Okay, so here you have to fill your personal details. Before that, you have to go with your email ID. So you can give your email ID and accept the terms and conditions. Then you can go for the next. So here next will be there. After that, you can submit there where you will get a form. So this is the initial stage. So when you enter, you'll be getting this page, your candidate profile. You can connect your LinkedIn. As I always used to mention, all of my recruitment videos, LinkedIn profile is the added advantage. Okay, it's like frosting to a cake. And coming to the resume section, you have to upload like 5 MB less. You can go for the cover letter. Cover letter is something you can get a lot of examples across the internet available. So coming to the cover letter, this is optional, but still it will be good if you can go with that. Now coming to the support documents, okay, optional. Support document in the sense if you have got any valid certification course or something like that, you can attach that too. Because as well assessing you, they'll be getting a good impression on you and there's a high chance of getting selected. Now create a login, to create a login to the Explio careers, then you can give for the login, password, everything, and preferences, time zone, do you accept the privacy policy, everything, and enter your information. You can upload image, resume, or the first name, your mail ID, your phone number, address, how do you hear about us, are you willing to relocate, please specify external ID, everything. External ID is not that like required, that's optional, it's not a mandatory field, but still if you have an external ID to the website, as I've mentioned, the coding platform, something like that, you can give that too. And after that, you can submit for this application. Okay, so this is the stage, this is the registration complete step to apply for the Explio careers. So as I've mentioned, all the opportunities that I have presented today is having a greater importance because it's a great sector when for the careers, like for the freshers. So it's a service, like it's a core jobs and it's an intern position, that too in core job. It's not like a service support team or something like that. It's a core jobs. So definitely it has its own importance. So you can apply for this. The link will be there in the description box. So if you have any doubts, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions regarding the contents that we present, like you are in required of these kind of content or something like that, you can let us know in the comment section, or you can connect us in social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Telegram, our application, through mail ID like onlinestudyforyou@gmail.com, or in the comment section itself. So there are so much ways out reaching us. So we are ready to help you there. So we can make your requirements clearly. There is nothing to worry. So until I come up with another video regarding such like off-campus recruitment, so much of opportunities. Thank you everyone and stay safe everyone and stay tuned to Online Study for You.